Hey everybody, welcome back to Let's Get Fishing 365. Back at it again, another fishing adventure. Back at this little creek again. In my previous video, I caught a bass and a northern here. Well, now I'm back to do just some northern pike fishing, so let's get fishing. All right, everybody. I will be using my Berkley Cherrywood HD 7-foot rod for my first setup. I have a Abu Garcia MaxX 20 reel. I have 10-pound braided line as my main line, and then I have a about 5 feet of leader, and that's about 6-pound fluorocarbon leader line. And then I'm using a Rapala Original Floater lure today. Full details down in the description on all my gear and setup. Any day out fishing's a good day. We'll sneak over this way a little more. See what happens. Fish on, fish on. We got a fish. Whoa. Oh yeah, we have a decent fish here. Stay away from that tree. Oh, my net's not big enough. Yes! Oh my God. Yep. He is 26 and a half. Look at that fish. How beautiful is that? Yes! For the first fish of the day, not bad. Alright, I had to retie that back on there after catching that guy. a couple abrasions around there, but hey, this is Berkley Vanish, 6-pound Berkley Vanish, and that held up very well against those teeth of that northern pike. Not sponsored by Berkley, just saying that I'm impressed. That held up very well against those teeth of that northern pike. So there's a fish. Yep, we got a nice fish here. He's coming like right to me. That's so weird. Oh, he looks a little smaller than my first one. Yeah, he should be able to fit in the net a little better. Oh geez. You're going the wrong way. There you go. There he goes. All right. So there's two. We got a fish. Oh, oh. Plane flying over. Nice. But when I head back to the vehicle, I got a phone call from my kids saying that 5-year-old, her teeth are hurting or whatever, so she is crying and fussing. So I didn't really get a chance to switch anything out, so I'm gonna have to call it for the day, head back home. Kids, it is what it is. It was fun being out here. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Leave a thumbs up if you liked today's video, and until next time on Let's Get Fishing 365.